Hey, what's up, y'all? Quick question. Do you know the sound of silver? Just throwing it out there. Do you know the sound of silver? Just kind of a lame question, but here I'm going to drop $1.50. In today's currency, they're all, normal, just everyday quarters. Whatever. Here, listen. Okay. I'll put those right there. And then here's $1.50 worth of silver quarters. So let me know if you can hear the difference. That's all I'm doing is just dropping them. Hear that difference? So let's do it again. Here we go. Halves. Modern, everyday halves. Okay. Silver halves. Only $1. I'll add this one in here too. You hear that? The sound of silver. Clad. Silver. Go on, you guys. Get y'all some silver while you can at this price, because it's only going to go up late.